Are your AirPods acting up, refusing to connect, or are you passing them on to a friend? Let's get them back to factory settings in just a few simple steps. This process works for all AirPods models, including the original AirPods, AirPods 2nd and 3rd generation, AirPods Pro, and even AirPods Max, although the last one has a slightly different button location. Let's dive in. First, if your AirPods are currently connected to your iPhone or other Apple device, you need to disconnect them. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Find your AirPods in the list of connected devices and tap the icon next to them, or the settings button if you're on Android. Then, select Forget this device and confirm. This is a crucial step. Now, place both AirPods back inside their charging case. Make sure the case has some charge, plugging it in if necessary. Locate the setup button on the back of the charging case. It's a small, circular button. With the lid of the case open, press and hold the setup button. Keep holding it. Watch the status light inside the case. Continue holding the button until the status light flashes amber first, and then changes to flashing white. This can take around 15-20 seconds, so be patient. The flashing white light indicates that your AirPods have been successfully reset to their factory settings. Your AirPods are now ready to be paired again. Simply bring them close to your iPhone or other Apple device, open the charging case lid, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect. And that's it. You've successfully factory reset your AirPods. Hopefully, this has resolved any connectivity issues you were experiencing or prepped them perfectly for their new owner. Enjoy.